DhokerJhara is a small village in the state of Jharkhand in northern India. All 200 families in this village belong to a tribal community called Santal. This is the village and the community where I grew up. Most of the people here are small farmers. Their financial condition is not good. My father was a man of discipline and he valued education. Therefore, when the government school was started in this village, I was the first student to go to school. I still remember that beautiful morning in March, it was 1973, when the teacher, who was a friend of my dad, came to my home and took me along with him to start this first school in my village. No school building, no chair for teacher, there was no desk for student. We all sat under the tree in jute bags and the teacher was sitting in the root of the tree, and this is how we began the first school. All my primary education was done under that tree. Today, the government school has a good school building. Primary school has become middle school, which means the students today are from class KG to class 8, but unfortunately, there is only one teacher to run the school. As a result, the education is very poor. Looking at the condition of the government school, I started an English medium school in this village with the help of GHNI and other partnering organizations. We started with 30 students in 2015. Today, we have around 150 students from more than five different villages. The need in this area, we want to build more rooms to accommodate more students. In long run, we want to see high school in this place. I would like to see at least 1,000 underprivileged children getting good education who otherwise would never have a chance to study. Our need for the school is to build more rooms, have school vans, and fund to support poor children. We run a sustainable child education program to support those kids who have the desire to study but have no fund. Sustainable child sponsorship program is to adopt a child for 2 years. We have 50% of his or her school fees for 2 years. And within these 2 years, we want to grow the income of the family so that they will be able to support the child his further education. Special thanks to all of you who are partnering with us in bringing transformation, not only in this community, but many other communities in India and South Asia.